So let's just jump into recording a good video. Last class we discussed, in photography class, but let's come back to this class. There are, let me say, 4 things that we want to focus on with respect to recording good video. One is that you must be able to compose your video, the frame of your video very well. In fact, that is probably one of the single most important parts of it. You must be able to compose your video very well. The second part is you must be able to expose that video properly. You must be able to expose. What is expose? Expose is the brightness. You should not say you've taken the picture, but the light was behind the person's face is dark. You record the video, it's just screaming amateur because of how you have exposed it. The third thing is that your video needs to be in focus, which is also like it has to be sharp. Your video should be sharp. So if your video is sharp, it would definitely, be more respected. It needs to be, in focus. And then the other part, the final part, is that you must have very good audio. Your audio must be clean. In fact, audio is usually said to be half of video. Audio must be clean.